Have you ever felt like your whole life fell apart when you were in that relationship? Your energy disappeared, your confidence collapsed, routines fell apart, your health suffered, your finances collapsed, and the relationship itself faded. And afterwards you're wondering, was it me? Why did everything break? Let me show you what really happened. This video is the first part of my free course, Rebuild Your Life After Narcissistic Abuse. But before we can begin to rebuild, we must understand why everything broke. Let's start with you in the beginning of that relationship. Healthy enough, hopeful, open, wanting connection. But during that relationship, you were gaslit, which resulted in you beginning to doubt your own perceptions. You questioned your self-worth. You learned to override your instincts. You also became trauma bonded. Your body was pulled between fear and hope, and your hormones swung between dopamine and cortisol. Your brain bonded to the person who hurt you. And something happened to your body and mind. Your nervous system were constantly activated. Your stress hormones stayed elevated. Your sleep became poorer. Your eating became emotional or irregular. This is not weakness, it's survival mode. You were also isolated from friends, family members, co-workers, or from anyone who could help you make sense of what was happening. Without the support system, confusion grows, self-doubt grows, dependence grows. Over time, your anxiety increased. You tried harder. You walked on eggshells to avoid conflict. Over time, this constant overfunctioning and high anxiety leads to mental fatigue and sometimes to CPTSD. Many abusers also sabotage your finances, creating dependency, instability, and fear. This isn't an accident, it's a tactic. Little by little, every part of your life was attacked and started to break down. Your mind, your confidence, your health, your finances, your social life and support system, your routines, your stability, your safety. This wasn't you failing. This was an attack on all the things you needed to stay stable. To heal, we need to work on all of these areas: sleep, eating, body, routines, finances, mindset, relationships, the trauma bond, identity, support, and safety. This may feel overwhelming, and seeing it clearly like this, all the damage that was done can be painful. But it is also the beginning of real understanding. You didn't collapse because you were weak. You collapsed because you were surviving. This gives us a roadmap. Everything that was broken can be rebuilt. And that is what this course is for. In the next video, we will talk about the actual roadmap, how to start healing step by step. This course will be approximately 20 videos, and hopefully I will release one episode a week. That's the plan. And during this course, on Thursday for the live streams, we will talk about what we learned in the lesson for that week. So this Thursday, 5 p.m. Eastern Time, we will talk about this, the breakdown, and why life collapses when we are in these abusive relationships. Because this does not happen only to you, it happens to all of us. So bring your questions there. And also you have a home assignment. In the description below, there is a link to a worksheet that helps you to work through this first step. It will help you to evaluate where you are and where you're starting from. I'm Emma holding up light over the bridge. Thank you for being here and thank you for listening to this video.